In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add reminder in Google Calendar. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a clear, time-specific reminder that shows up right where you plan your day. Start by opening your web browser and going to calendar.google.com. This loads your Google Calendar on the web, which gives you a clean view of your schedule by day, week, or month. If you're prompted to sign in, just use your usual Google account so your reminder is saved to the right calendar. Give the page a moment to load your events. Once you can see your calendar grid, you're ready to add the reminder. Look toward the top left of the screen for the Create button, marked with a plus icon. This is the fastest way to add something new. Click Create, and a small panel will appear with different options for what you can add. In that panel, choose Task instead of Event. Tasks are ideal for reminders you want to complete, like calling someone back or submitting a report. Unlike events, which are usually for meetings you attend, tasks are checkable items that also show up in Google Tasks. Picking task helps keep your calendar focused on what you need to do, not just where you need to be. Now fill in the details. In the title field, type what you want to remember. Make it action-oriented and specific so it's clear at a glance. Something like Send Project Update or Pay Utility Bill. This title is what you'll see on your calendar, so keep it short but meaningful. Next, set the date and time. Choose the exact day and the time you want the reminder to appear. Try to pick a time you're likely to act on it. That way, your reminder shows up when it's most useful. Your calendar uses your current time zone, so the time you set will match your local schedule. If you work across time zones, just be mindful of when you want that reminder to hit. When everything looks right, the title says exactly what you need, and the date and time are correct. Click Save. Your new task now appears on your calendar at the time you chose, and it will also be listed in your tasks sidebar if you use it. If your plans change, you can always open the task later to adjust the details or drag it to a different time on the calendar. That's it. Open Google Calendar, click Create, select Task, enter the title with the date and time, and save. With this quick routine, your important to-dos land where you'll actually see them.